One of the biggest questions and concerns that I had before buying a Tesla with white interior is how would these seats actually hold up with the wear and tear of denim? I wear black denim jeans quite often, and as you can see here on the side of my seats, there's some discoloration from the jeans. If you're anything like me, you've looked around on the internet to find a solution to tackle this discoloration, and maybe you found something that works, maybe you haven't. I wanted to share what's worked for me. I use Meguiar's Interior Detail Cleaner from Amazon. I'll link it in the comments. A magic eraser, also from Amazon, and a dry cloth to wipe off the cleaning when you're done. Let's get to it. So just a few sprays with the Meguiar's Interior Cleaner, and I'll let it sit for a few seconds, and then get after it with the magic eraser. After a few sprays of the Meguiar's and some work with the magic eraser, I'll use a cloth to wipe it clean. And as you can see, it's pretty effective. Now let's get to the rest of the seat. And you don't need to apply a lot of pressure with the magic eraser, just let it do the work for you. A few more spots here in the middle of the seat, so I'll give it another pass. One more final pass to pick up the rest of the remnants, and it should be looking good as new. And as you can see, this solution is pretty effective. So I do hope this helps on your journey to keeping those white seats shiny and clean.